Hi beauties, welcome to my channel. Thank you guys so much for watching. For today, I'm going to be showing you how to turn a daytime look to night. If you guys want to see how I transition my daytime look to a nighttime look, then please stay tuned. Please also continue to like, share, and subscribe so we can continue to grow our family. Thank you guys so much for your support and thank you for watching. Have a wonderful day. Go into our concealer, and we're going to use that concealer as a base for our eyeshadows to make them pop more. So I'm using what was left on my hand from cleaning up my brows first. This gives your lid an even tone and helps to get more of the true color of the shadows. So first, we're always going to start with Culture. This is a great transition color, and I'm going to dip my brush into it, tap it. You see all that excess will be on your face if you don't tap it. Okay, so the transition color is laid. Now I'm going to go ahead and deepen that just a little because we are keeping this daytime right now. So we're going to go into this orange color, and I'm going to mix it with this color called Played Out and this color called Revenge. So we're going to use all three of these colors, and I'm just going to tap a little bit into this color because I don't want it to get too dark. So first I'm going to tap into this orange, then we're going to tap into that one time, then we're going to tap into Revenge. Okay, I'm going to tap that off. Okay, so now we're going to go ahead and just cut this crease. I like to use this is the LA Girl Pro Concealer. It has the applicator on it without any pressing any product out. Okay, so that is good. Now I'm going to go ahead and just take this blending brush and just blend across without adding extra product, just to blend everything together. And then now we're going to go into a shimmer shade. So I'm going to, this gold color here called TF, we'll add that. So this is what we have so far on the lid, and I'm going to go ahead and add Diva underneath that. So the gold is just outlining up here at the top, and then we're going to go in with the rose gold underneath it. I'm going to go ahead and go into these three colors again, the orange, red, and this burgundy color, and I'm going to go over my crease so that I can kind of define this. And then I'm going to go ahead and blend this out with the fluffy blending brush. And I'm going to use the smaller one right here. Then I'm going to go ahead and go back into these three colors again and just blend that right into this outer V. Okay, so now that we've got the crease cut, I'm going to go in with this Extreme Gold from NYX. So it's more drugstore product. For the brow highlight, we're going to go into this color here called Unbothered. There, we're going to go in with our L'Oreal Extra Intense Liquid Eyeliner Pencil. For the mascara, we're using Lash Paradise Voluminous Paradise. I'm going to blend the colors underneath the eye, and I'm going to go into all three of these colors that we used for our transitions. So we're going to go into the orange, this darker color, the red, and so then we're going to go into this Unbothered color as our inner corner highlight. Highlighter from Shayla ColourPop Cosmetics, and this is my favorite highlighter at the moment. This is the brush number 5 from It's My Ray Ray collection with BH Cosmetics. This is a loose highlighter, so you want to put a little bit of the highlighter on here, then kind of just go like this to not have too much loose particles, and then now we're going to go into this brown pencil here. It's just a lip pencil. It's a toffee color and from Sinful Colors. This lipstick is from the Shayla ColourPop collection, and it's a nude color. And now we're going to top that off with the Neat Freak gloss, which is also from the ColourPop collection. Alright beauty, so this is the final look for the daytime look, and we're going to come back and we're going to turn this into a nighttime look, so stay tuned. So we're going to switch to a more dramatic lash. This is how the lash looks, and that's just going to pop more. It's thicker. Go ahead and go into our setting powder, and we're going to put some of that right underneath the eye, right here, to catch any fallout. Perfect. Now we're gonna go back into our perception palette, and we're gonna deepen up these corners. So at the corner of the eye, I'm gonna go into this color here called Played Out, and we're just going to deepen that color. So you can already see the difference here with this and this. It just kind of already just added more of a smoldering look as opposed to just a, you know, light daytime look. So now we're going to go ahead and go into our Stila. These are the Diamond Dust powders, or Diamond Dust Written in the Stars collection. And these are like little glitter sticks. So I'm thinking, looking at all these colors, we'll go into this one that's like a pinkish gold, and it's called Kitten Karma. So we're going into Kitten Karma, and we're just gonna go over the whole lid color where we have the gold. Go into this Played Out color and just blend that. Go into this red color here, so there's kind of a transition. Right? Then back into the dark Played Out color. Perfect. So daytime to nighttime. I want to go ahead and do a bold winged liner. All right, so both eyes are done. Now we're gonna go ahead and go over that gold arch line with this glitter here. This is BH Cosmetics glitter in the color Rapture. Rapture. Good. So now let's go ahead and add a little bit more of this mascara to the bottom lashes. Get them popping as much as possible. This is the proper liner. This is a dark brown liner. Lips on the outer parts right here. And this right here. This right here. And this right here. Just add that to the corners. And lipstick called Come On Sis from Shayla. And this is the color here. also go back in with Quickie right on top of this. Then top it off with the gloss. Alright beauties, so this is the final look for the daytime look. Take it in. I really love how this looks. Just nice and light, but beautiful and enough to make you pop and stand out. But let's go ahead and switch it up. And we're going to turn this into a sultry nighttime look. Stay tuned. And this is our nighttime look, beauties. I hope you guys enjoyed how this came out. I had a lot of fun doing this for you, and I thought it would be something different to kind of switch it up. And I also want this to be entertaining and educating for you guys. So let me know below if these videos are helping you, if this is something that you would like me to do again, if there's anything else that you would like me to do. Let me know in the comments below so I can continue to make sure I'm making stuff that you guys want to watch and that you're actually learning from. Also, please continue to like so we can continue to show up on other pages in the section where, you know, it says similar videos. That way, you know, we can continue to grow our family. And please continue to subscribe and you know, encourage others to subscribe so we can continue to grow. And yes, thank you guys so much for being on this journey with me. This is something I've been wanting to do for a long time. I love doing makeup, and I love just uplifting, empowering, and just encouraging people to just go after their dreams. And I hope I do that with this page. I definitely want to get more interactive as I continue to grow. So you guys let me know if there's anything specific you would like from me. If you would like a Q&A, anything like that, let me know, and I will definitely do that for you guys. Have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.